Cleverness Studio. Una watch and where's that dictator show? You see, some people they don't get sense. Some people where they call Esther, some of them they don't get sense. You see, Esther, because of that wish, Monica, because of now you go disgrace yourself, At the end of the day, see what you go do. Monica can't carry and witchcraft people. Come that you watch her. Okay, thank you. Now I can see that people are here. They follow me. Osas.
Esther talk show.
Me I show now.
I go dey get strong talk with Clevernant Radio.
Yeah, Clevernant Radio. They contacted me last week, but I'm not interested. I don't need it. You understand? Who do popular? Who do popular with good something? Do popular. Clevernant Radio. Now Esther go accept apology of evil woman coronavirus. Make people come donate for you. Oh my God! You see, after all this shame and disgrace upon you for that live video, that's why Monica she can't go carry a bottle husband, water leaf husband. I do that show for my YouTube yesterday. Water leaf husband. And any man way they educated that cannot control his wife is called or is worse than bitter leaf or water leaf husband. You see this woman, she's very manipulative. For me, you cannot manipulate everybody. For me, you cannot manipulate me. I don't think you can manipulate all the real Edos who get good eyes, who get a spiritual eye for front and back. You can only manipulate some idiots, no matter the motor, some fool. Now you go feel manipulate. Like people like Esther, I'm sorry. Esther, I'm sorry because I thought that maybe you are a good person. I don't know saying that because of Clevernant Studio. Now make you go fool yourself that day for live video. Make Monica come support you. This same Monica, she was the first person who brought your video out. She was the first person who write capital letter, big capital letter, breaking news. Breaking news like why do Esther show well that for a cassava. After some times, she went ahead to delete that video. Okay, so because of Clevernant Radio, men what here, so that me Monica can support you. Oh God, some people, she can't carry a water leaf husband. They can't give you €10. Is it €10, $10? I don't know how much it is. You know, €10, $10, and blah. You understand? All the more motor we follow Libya enter house. We follow river flush enter. More motor. They thought say now because of our mommy now we day here. Now because of our mommy now we day here. After that day, you will not see them again. They will not come to your platform anymore to come and dash you $10, a bit €10. They will not come to that platform anymore. Why not go just use only one day to put myself down for some ordinary cleaning woman wey no dey pay tax for the country wey dey. Agree to grace. The woman no dey pay tax. You are not working. Your husband dey work for they do security. You are claiming single mother, yeah, and you are only you love to manipulate people, and that's not go work. Not be everybody, no be everybody, because Most people will be say they come they when they read the interview that your stupid interview because I don't see better interview will be say that they talk for there. The man they talk say it's no our Oba no they like all this one our Oba yes my brother I'm sorry I know say you call me you contact me to come to make I come join this interview. I'm sorry. I know they follow market women. Our women they do that kind of show. Anybody where it start to they bring those people down. Now it be the first person where you interview for your show, which is coronavirus, aka or walking a bododon one of universe. Because a brother don't mean a man that cannot talk or to control his wife, meaning that man is a bododon. Yeah, they give her money. You understand? So, any man that cannot control his wife, in me, is a bododon. A bododon me. A bottle don have very light paper when you put a bottle don put for one big basin you can't boil hot water you pour and put you can't wet you can't light so meaning you no fit do anything that woman husband be. Let me tell you, I talking for my live video yesterday for my YouTube. I say a love not the cause problem for us. What is the meaning of love? Love bring good things. Love bring happiness. When you marry a real man, your man or your husband cannot allow you to be fooling yourself. Your man cannot allow you to be bringing shame and disgrace to him as a real man. A real man will stop you for nonsense. A real man will tell you, stop, enough is enough. When a man cannot tell you when to stop, when a man cannot control you, when a man cannot talk to you, meaning automatically that man is worse than a bododon. Hello? You understand? It's worse than a bododon. When they was doing interview, because these two interview, when we say you or God, you don't interview them. You not enter my heart. It not make sense to me. That is why they turned that interview down. I'm sorry. I'm not saying you sent me message last night. We had to say I did work. When I come back for work this morning, I had to have a shower and sleep and just wake up. I'm sorry. I'm going to send you a text later to let you know that I'm not interested. Why? Because the first person who you interview, she was the one who brought the Edo down. She's the one who brings tears into Edo people. She is the one that will pay her 50 euro, they will pay her 30 euro, they will pay her 40 euro to bring Edo people down. The great people in Edo State, she brought them down. You as a man that you said that you get that show, you couldn't ask her that question. You not ask her that question. Say, oh, my sister whatsoever, or my daughter sister, we have been watching you for the past 3 years. You are damaged a lot of things. You understand? What things where you don't do. Are you happy about it? Or things where you don't do, where you don't bring all the adult down. Do you think that I'm sorry for a second it go feel sober? Do you think that people like this Suma coronavirus, so do you think that if she go to Nigeria, she go to Edo? If she go Edo now, every year people for Sian, you think say they don't go beat her? Una say people not go beat and give her slap because she never go where people dey. She dey always dey hide for corner. She never really go where people take see her. So you didn't ask her such question, yeah, my brother. Clevenant Studio. You didn't ask her so that you can give her give her that that questions. You didn't. You dey beat around the bush. Who were Moha? Excuse me? And you are calling me to come and join the show to do what? You are calling me to come and join this show. That fucking show. That is a fucking show, eh? Yeah, Clevenant. Yeah, Clevenant studio. You didn't ask her that question. We are beating around the bush like a man wey be say you cannot even ask question. Are you a boy or don't husband? Are you a boy or don't husband? She said that people cannot call her. No, they will call her name because she used people to climb. For nearly 4 years or 3 years, she used people to climb. Yes, if she die, she go and face a punishment. Abi you know hear where Bible say, suffer not the wish to live. When she was doing other people, you not think say if those one die, you see you guys, hypocrite people. Merit Morris, hypocrite people. When she was destroying people home, where are you? You die, be just wake up for grave. You know the pains where those people go through for years. You know where Abi you don't did this life where she call a couple that they have HIV. You okay, maybe you die that time, you just rise up for grave. When she show people picture that this couple really have HIV. Abi you not hear where Bible talk and say suffer not the wish to live. You not hear that? Abi you not hear say everywhere God will say I go forgive you. God will say give you your punishment. Please, my brother, Morris, go and read your Bible very well. He did there. God not be partial God. If you do bad, he go forgive you, but he go still give you your punishments. That is it. People who brought Edo people down, who caused problem for us the social media, she was the number one person, and you was there. You couldn't ask her such question. You dey beat around the bush, and you, Esther, look at you. John, Monica, the rest of people matter. Not be people matter. She take they eat, they feed her family. Not be people matter. She take they eat, they feed her family. They climb, they go witchcraft cover. Not be people matter. Not be people wey the great people. Not be she take climb, they go and witchcraft cover. Not be Rita Success. If you cannot understand my English, please leave my platform, go to another people where they speak English. I didn't even invite you here. No, not I be read though. Una husband be a bododon. Una husband be the real a bododon. We be say e no go fit talk to una for house. Then they ask the man they interview Clevenant studio. You dey tell say our king dey vex, say what they go on right now. They are not happy about the way other people they bring people down. But you didn't ask that woman, and definitely you see all the video what she don't do so far, and she brought other people down. You not ask her more. You not ask her. You understand? You not ask that question. At least if you want to do interview, please go straight to your question. Ask your question well. Go straight to your question. Ask that question. That one. You begin to talk about open up like her. Yes. Nobody even like her. Even the devil not even like her. But you for ask that question, say, my sister, now you start this problem. Now you bring this thing down. Now you bring people down. Why it can't be like that? You not ask. You dey beat around the bush. You was beating around the bush. Okay, bye-bye. You dey beat around the bush. And now I say, don't talk, don't talk. You understand? He can pay the shine. Not talk. Why? Why they not anytime when they remember they will see cousin? Yeah, my Bob. Now only she cause the whole world, and the whole world go cause her. You know not say she go die very soon. I say, he say if I be una husband, I go send una paki habe. I go block you for road. You know fit try now. I go beat you well now. Ask people about me. I go beat you well, Rita. Forget that one. Forget whether you dey abroad or you not dey abroad. You understand, my people? You go guys, you not ask her that simple question, that direct question. You dey beat around the bush. You dey beat around the bush. You dey beat around the bush. Even the Esther self, onye muke. All the way the way no, ariyekayo way they put prick for mekus. You know, she just they do me can. All the sake you want me go. You want me go with a witchcraft woman. You want me go with make they can't give you $10, 10 euro, 50 euro. What the fuck is that? What the fuck is that? Oh, because of 10 euro, 10 euro, 15 euro. Esther, you just say yourself, you put yourself so low. Then they won't done Monica around. It's okay, please. Then Monica no done around. No, where maybe where you don't feel beat anybody where go cry. It's just that people where you they beat they never see you where. Because if I know you don't know me. If you know me, you know say I know the person where they block for roads. I know the person where they block for roads. Woman, you don't know me. I beg go ask for me, ask for people about me where yeah. Call Rita. If it's only God can take life. Make una rest for matter we no reach to talk about. Seriously? Really? Back to sender? Na so you talk? Where Organa Master coronavirus they talk you. They cause tears, pains for people life. The big men wey dey out Nigeria they bring them down. Because let me tell you one thing, what you guys don't understand. I say say wish they want to put you down. Yeah, they want to put you down to climb to the higher level. You understand? When winch wan get position, wetin winch dey do? Winch go put you down to get position. When winch wan get position for witchcraft, winch go use it take climb. E go kill you or e go carry your body go give them so that e go get position. That is exactly how Monica be. She say winch, let God open her eye. Okay, she want to put people down to climb for her witchcraft cover. And that witchcraft cover, it go backfire very, very soon. If you have too high, may God show now. May God show now. She's very manipulative. If they manipulate anything, she go manipulate. See, person where they lie, where they put Maggi salt and say Godwin I am. Person where they put salt, Maggi and everything for things people say no happen. I hate that person. Some people they are just witchcraft, and the witchcraft is written all over them. The witchcraft is written all over there. Look at her today. She put people down to climb. She put people down to climb. Make she there and if what it concern me. What can me? You just say don't follow my father, Nina the same. And when she was doing all those dirty things for nearly they was clapping for her. I will hear the kuti. All those dirty mama nyans, old women we don't old for Europe, we don't past 30 years. Stupid people, dirty human being, witchcraft people, demonic people. Who see the people will see be like demonic and witchcraft people. There was one that was supporting her. She's not my sister, God forbid. Don't refer that one as my sister, God forbid. She can never be my sister. She's not my sister, God forbid. I reject that name. I'll tell you what about when we're done. You understand? But she wanted to use my case to cover. Sim, why they not ask her? I don't bad sleep with you. Wala, not be a best friend. Open up. When a best friend tell and say, if I hear pen, po, pen, po again for your maths. If I hear, what it could happen? Organa witchcraft woman. She not run enter house. Before what that one never come out. If they come out for live video, for morning go enter, afternoon go enter, evening go enter, you go to call that one name, you go to curse that one, you go to insult that one, you go to refer to that one, you go to call that one different names, you go to deal with that one. So the last night she used 8 hours to do one video, talk all the lie where they this words. See, I say God, I will block you. I will block you now, yeah? What is the meaning of hot temper? Tell me the meaning of hot temper and the meaning of witchcraft. Go and read your dictionary. Hot temper people, if you do them something, they don't feel taken, they go just react quickly. Me, I be hot temper person, okay? You understand? So for that one, me I be hot temper, but I don't bring people down. I don't lie against people. I don't use people to climb. You don't even know the meaning of hot temper, and you don't know the meaning of witchcraft people. So that's what I'm saying. Me, I have hot temper too. But I dey control my home. I'm not going to use my authority to bring anybody down to climb. But like for us, you look for people trouble, who not look for her. Who not look for her trouble. She want to bring people down. She want to make sure that person, because she have the spirit of jealousy. You don't know people that have the spirit of jealousy. If they look you for distance, they'll say, oh, I want to massive him. I want to massive him. They want to make sure to get some error for your body. Error when not there your body safe. They go put them for your body. Error when not there your body. They will put them for your body. Do you know the meaning of hot temper plus witchcraft people? People want to put the people down to climb. Me, I not just understand some people. All you do one more. Anyway, sir, I'm not gonna blame some of them because I witchcraft. They manipulate you now. That is why you guys always blind. You guys don't understand the meaning of hot temper and the meaning of witchcraft, and they manipulating people. When they manipulate people, you have that spirit that is controlling you. That same spirit is not ordinary spirit. It's a witchcraft spirit that lives inside you. That is why you feel they manipulate anybody when you feel manipulate, including your husband, a brother husband, including your own children. including everybody that surrounds you. Including everybody that surrounds you. So go and check your hot temper. But me, I'm just here for Esther. Esther, all because of $10, $20, $5 that was given to you for Clavenance Studio. And you for your hand, you for your husband's hand, all the sake of cassava. But she is the first person who went ahead to advertise your video with big letter, with big capital letter. Breaking news. Wado Esther Webb. And later, when she come feel say, oh, what did I do so no good though? She went quickly and delete that video for her Facebook. And she carry our member, normally Reboto. Come and follow me and come and go and support Esther. Who are you going to manipulate? Manipulate who? You can manipulate other people. You cannot manipulate me. You cannot manipulate people who get sense, who wise, people who don't see life, people who don't hear who wabmo. People who don't hear who wabmo. You cannot manipulate them. You know, you cannot manipulate them. You cannot manipulate everybody just the way they manipulate people where they around you. So Esther, you fuck up. Cleverness Studio, my brother. I bet those questions where you gonna ask these two women, it not make sense. You not ask your question where, and for that simple reason, me, my dear, I'm not coming to your studio, not vex, because these are the first person that be the real Oryomba. I prefer all temper people than witchcraft. Yeah. These are the real Oryomba. This is okay. What is the meaning of Oryomba? Oryomba are people where they bring people down. Where people don't do you something. Okay, let me make an example now. When she calls Bobizwa do her something. Bobizwa not do her anything because of the hatred that she have for the Isoken. She develop that hatred. You go give the big man wey sit down in you for us. Big man wey sit down in you for us. Who you want call? She's among Oryomba. Okay? She's among Oryomba. If they go bring a live video, you know, they go kill her, take her blood, they'll put her for Ogun. What about if they go carry that Ishama, a Nogi of Isha, they carry that video, they carry and go palace. For example, I'm just saying it. Who don't know the meaning of Oryomba? Oryomba is not only the person that insulting palace. I mean a different type of Oryomba. If they go carry that video, where she and her friend do, where they humiliate a Nogi of Isha, they carry and go palace. Una no say she go get problem. She go get problem. They must use her for that part. They must use her to swear. They go say humiliate her. Because that Enogi of Isha now Obas a grammar. So when you take insult that Enogi of Isha, now you say you take insult the great kingdom of Benin. I greet you, Jenny. Me go carry that video come out. That video there YouTube now. That video there YouTube. Let them take that video to the palace. Me na see wetin our king want talk. Now your mama they cry. And if I go for the show so that you go talk everything wey dey your mind there, na opportunity be. I get opportunity. Me and I know they go that show na your show. My sister Jennifer, make we dey look Esther and Monica. Monica wey make friend with Esther na here everybody dey anya go so exactly. Well, she insulted herself, not me. Okay. The tradition is not this weekend. Don't describe it like. Of course, Edo tradition. They are not wicked. But they don't tolerate nonsense where you humiliate the king, any king, where Oba do crime already. That Enogi of Isha is there under Oba. If Oba want do something, they must call that Enogi. We come, Abi, and the same video will now come to the king table. How do get where he carry a dirty blood? He no wear. He use and say put blood for a Enogi picture. Oh my God! Una know what she have done? I don't understand. Una don't know tradition. Una don't know the rules and regulations where they tradition. Una just say who be the Ogyomba many? There are many where. There are many where. Jennifer, don't go. You are bigger than that. Of course. Oh, me go. Enogi. I'm not go to that show. Go do it. The man don't come in tired. Last night at day work, he tell me message. My sister, Mama Jennifer. Oh, please, we are waiting for your picture and all. Nothing I say at day work. If I reach this morning, I have to go to bed. I'm not they interested for because the man only ask question. The first person will be the real Ogyomba where they this Europe. He don't ask question. All the useless, dirty people, no more reboto. They don't fit ask simple and direct question. Mean they eat that question. Bang. They don't fit ask because before she go enter, she go first use juju take cover people where they follow her. Make because you looking at her, you know, so all herself around her is full of juju. Thanks for saying the truth. Around her is full of juju. Now she use juju pass. Now she do all sorts of evil thing pass. Now she will see come and insult people way clean. We pass her. Ordinarily cleaning woman. Where they do 3 to 4 hours. We never register her. We be lobo. He do finish or see give her money for hands. You couldn't talk to people where get passports, where they work for NHS, where they drive expensive cars, where get better husband for us, where get better children for us, where they fly up and down any country where they want go, where they enter first class, everything. You want to bring them down to climb. Even it shall never be well with you. You understand? Every time you will stop people, you leave make which forget what she was doing a dirty stupid thing. Do you guys una not tell and say all these things what you they do so it's not good. You get what the Monica defend for Esther body because her friendship not clear well. I bet Esther, if I be you, hello friend, na him better pass. So excuse me, divine favor, help me ask them. Oh, Esther, you don't have 4 people, huh? Anyway, they say you be small pikin, so your small pikin no your get sense at all. Because of 10 euros. 5 euro for Facebook, for YouTube. Me, I know how long they go do and reach. How long our own follower go do and reach. They give you 10 euro, 5 euro, me euro. I go see. Job is not a job. Go away. Don't tell me say job is not. What job? 3 hour job na job. 3 hour job na job. Government do me well. Government do me well. If you dey Nigeria carry born 3 children, she go do 3 hours take feed her children. Oh well. Oh well, job na job. Where the job for where the job dey? Which job is that one? Oh well, job na job. Abeg dey go. That's why una money motor, una see dey backwards. Oh well, job na job. Which job is that one? 3 hour job na job. 4 hour job na job. How much do they pay? Whenever you reach the money we say you dey get for a 1 hour shift. That was job na job. Not say that people like una, when we say una not get better future, una not get job, una not get great job, we say they pay una. When month go reach, you will see your money for your bank account. So that people like na talk say job na job. Job is not job, oh. Yeah? You want go use people when they work for oil company to say job na job? You want go use people wey be manager for a company say job na job? You want go use people wey be say they get their own company say job na job? Job is not job. Job is not job, man. Call. Job is not job. At least some people now when they do 3 hours, they see they keep themselves. They hide themselves. Yeah, you work, yeah, you be. Who get better husband with the husband? They work, they see money, they will still keep themselves. Now those wey not get, now they loud pass for public. If you want me, what? I'm not going to encourage anybody to work. Which can no matter which job is that one, cleaning job, 3 hour job, na work. How you want to feed yourself? How you want to do something back home? How you want to do something back where you did, this country where you did? How you want to feed yourself and your family? If not me government money, if not say government do me well, those way government they do well, they still keep themselves. They know they make noise. They hide themselves for us. They know they put people down. They not use people to climb. Today, if people come and talk, say, and they say, waiting now, make una rest now. No, don't say that, William, job is not job, oh. Okay, my word, you are commenting here. Job is not job. Yeah, she's feeding other government. Anybody who feed on that, you cannot use people when they feed on that government. Use and take compare people of independent. The kind eye where government will tell look you go different from the kind eye where they will tell look independent worse people where be say they get everything. Excuse me. To where you get your head, those people will marry big men. Okay, una get different heads. All of them they do audio live, they go. Yeah, of course, now she cannot survive without social media money. She cannot. It's better than silly. My brother and sister, it's your opinion. Some people are doing it, but they don't put people down. You understand? They don't put people down. They don't put people down to climb up. You understand? So what the investment is that she put people down to climb. She go after people that don't even know her. She insults people that don't even know who she is, where she dey, who be she. Just that she want to famous, where people really know her say, "Now me be this, now me be this. I've been a very one of your universe." You understand me? Yeah, okay, may I read this comment? The love favor. Say, what did Monica do yesterday? People think, say, she love Esther. Nah, allow. She let Esther not say, Esther, no get follower. Monica fans say, nah, because of Monica, the day Esther show yesterday. The same thing. This something pay me. Okay. Exactly. Thank you, favor. She not get follower because she just do that thing to cover her sin, because the sin wey she do it to Esther, na she go run go bring that video out. Hey, you cannot hide it for God. You cannot hide it for God. You may cover your sin and nobody will know. You cannot hide it for God. If you are a liar, you cannot hide it for God. You cannot hide it for God. You may cover your sin and nobody will know. You know if you hide that, can't hide the something for God. You can never hide it for God. You may cover your sin. If you say nobody go sin, me no go sin, but you can never hide it for God. So Esther dey do mumu because Esther no get sense. Esther na one kind of, I don't know whether I can say na baby dey worry am, because even that time when me dey the age of 19 years, me my brain dey calculate millions for head already. I dey calculate when me even dey 21 years, wey be say I never marry, I dey carry husband and wife home, I go put am together. If dem dey quarrel, I go enter inside. Wear up a parlor, will go forgive your wife, do am like this. I dey there. Esther, you just dey do mumu. And if you don't pass to gospel. No, sometimes we just have to say, say this. You understand? We just have to say this. So, now that's Cravenant studio. I be a Cravenant Yamiati. I just, that guy, sorry, guys. Sorry, man. My brother. Sorry, my brother. I know they understand you, Charles. Why these women is still speaking like this? Why are many Nigeria like this? That is why I always move with white people, because our country people have wicked men. You see, white person cannot behave like Monica to put our country down. You understand? So she too, she's wicked. She's evil. You understand? I never see any white man or white woman go just dey live video. They curse his papa, they curse everybody. We no know am, both no know am. Is it a crime to forgive someone? I don't know. Go and ask person where you want to ask. If you ask me, who I go ask? Yeah, people of her can share her up. Esther too like cassava. I don't know that one. If she really like cassava. That one which you talk maybe na out of anger. You understand? Help me ask. Oh my God, people that speak not that they hate our people, just Monica change our phone. Let me say, people that speak about Monica, not that they hate her, People just want Monica to change her evil ways. Okay, if you say so. Whether you are a meta problem. Annabelle, don't do who be meta problem here. Nobody did meta. Do you understand? Nobody's okay. Stop fighting. You understand? So we are just, we are just here to discuss. We are just here to speak our hearts. We are just here to speak our minds. Because at the end of the day, where you want to interview people, you know the person will be the organ back. You know the person will start to bring Edo people down. You know the person will start to cause nuisance of social media. You know this same person you be the first person will interview. You understand? But you did not ask that direct question. So, my dear, my brother, I'm going to send you a text after the end of this video. I tell you, say, hey, I'm not a conda show. I'm too big past that kind of show. Wow, what you want? Our boss, make not they put up for this social media. I feel they turn around for time. Make not they talk about our boss say, our boss they appear. Oba Ginguwa. When the time don't reach where we say Oba want to put an end to this thing, they go see come now, see for live video. They will see carry but come and see swear for now. So make anybody know they carry our Oba say. I know you like that kind of thing. Because that thing invests me. Our Oba say, Oba don't send anybody. No, he don't send noise maker. He don't send anybody message for social media. If a king don't ready for una will see bah like thunder. Brrr. Okay. Yes, adulterous women, Mugu. Monica did not carve any oil. Yeah, that she did not sell bottle to people. Liar! Now let that woman feel ask her only that question. We say, why are you selling bottle? He say, which bottle? Which bottle? You buy the bottle. I make a lie now. If you enter for friend, go enter for baby. That one, oh, I don't lie. It's too much. Oh, already. Oh, we are. Oh, we are now one. Oh, we are now. People don't understand the meaning of that apology. Me, I know that's for una. Una feel say una acceptance. So nana thorough. Nana sabi do. Na fit go do all those things. That is not my business. You understand? Forgiveness is not by force. Forgiveness comes from the heart of people. You understand? You understand? Forgiveness comes from the heart of people. So if you want to forgive people, let it come from your heart and you forgive people. If you don't want to forgive, let it see your mind. You understand? So you cannot forgive people to forgive. You cannot ask people to force people to forgive people. Do you understand? When my boy tell una say una get hotel, when my boy una never get for abroad. Total una lie. Government ask una get for abroad. Una say una na husband buyer. Una say una na husband buy the government. Government ask 3 bedrooms flat when I dey for backyard for inside village. Una say na husband. At the end of the day, no be una. They pay una 25,000 naira. Una say na 2.5 million. What una never talk? What una never do? How can an adulterous evil woman be a role model? She can never. You hate her so much, but you take your time to listen to her interview. No, basically, I was not there. It was somebody that sent to me, that called me, one of my friends. I said, go and watch her. I said, when? He said, it don't finish, but I should take my time to listen to what she was, what she was saying. Really, I really get that patience. Say me and see what they talk. Say she talk. What she got to say? The apology na strategy na this na that was the fuck. I know you finish. I know watch and finish. Now come on here. You not miss one part for the interview. Yes, and body movement. Yeah. Was showing now when that lady asked her that question. Yes, her body movement was shaking. Boko Haram was hear this. Yeah, go call Boko Haram. Love it. Nonsense. Go call Boko Haram. I beg. Everything about my audio. Una make everything. Everything fake. Photo na call single mother by stupidity. See, these two women also una need to go palace, go eat, go drink that water. Not be only at the movie, you go drink that water. Una need to go palace, go drink water. So they useless, they insult single mothers. Oh, single mothers, una not fit come and come useless these people. Oh. Single mothers, una not fit come and come cause these people. So these women, they be single mother by benefits. They will insult a single mother by stupidity, single mother by this, single mother by this. Meanwhile, now there be single mother wey dey inside house. Hey, Baba. Baba. I say live video presenters should stop talking about each other. Really? Imagine. Hey, single mothers, so they insult single mothers. Meanwhile, they be single mothers. Meanwhile, they be divorcee. Oh my God. They be single mother, they be divorced you. They used to be married before. They can't divorce all the sake of benefit. And they are still claiming my husband, my wife. And they was insulting those people we marry. Me where they work. Me we not they use, we not useless. Me we be see if they come out for outside, people say yes. Strategy. Take that for head. Be my woman. If not be our friend, we can't just open up. We can't open our nyash. Don't foresee be like that. Oh, don't foresee they do business in crime. Oh, don't foresee they see they do this thing. So Facebook for the onion, pepper them. But your friend can't open our nyash. Can't talk say. Ẹ̀yin yànyà tó tẹ wáyà mọ́ bọ́gbẹ́ o. Wẹ́gẹ̀ bọ́yà gbẹ́ o. Ẹ̀yin yànyà ò tẹ o wà láwò wò. Audio live, audio hotel, audio apology, audio enemy. Yeah, they smell, they follow you, they follow you, they go. You can deceive people, you cannot deceive God. You can you feel add them for men and women, but you cannot add it for God. Your sin will surely knock on your door. Your sin must surely come to you. Oh, Bekeka. But Rose, what will be your comments? I don't understand your comment here. That one, a bododon Rosma. You know the meaning of a bododon water leaf. She liar na. Nothing Esther no go sing for her half carrot husband body. What I be when I leave Esther husband. The man good now. Charles, abeg, go tell them, go dey write this message, go give that woman. The time what that woman they do. Where you dey, you fit travel? Charles, you travel before? You go village? Where you fit dey before? You fit go village? Me man like people like una o. Improcate people. I know they like her, Just face the truth. They'll carry people wey pass them, they'll carry the car, they'll put them for ground. Me no say Monica, if they jealous me my travel all the time. I be una not hear am. Talk am for a live video. He told them Jennifer travel. Tomorrow Jennifer travel. Next morning Jennifer travel. Why amigo? Hey, I don't even know so that woman they jealous my travel all the time. I know just know. Until they carry my mother go give her. I don't know. Oh yes, purity of SARS. Yes. A rubbish fake life now. Anybody will get two eyes, will get good eye, will God give them. Oh God. Anyway, Sha. As they say, we no go rest for social media. We dey here, we go nowhere. That's as my guest to more cassava. Okay, if you talk so, no problem. If you talk so, you know, Godwin Rose, may the tears and pain Monica have caused people be your portion for supporting her evil. It show you also sleep and enjoy your father in bed. When Loloto say upon she get about 11 brothers, step brothers and step sister, say nobody can talk to her because her father slept with her with the age of 12 years. That is why they fear make she not come open up, come tell public. How? Salobua we no riya be ya gioma sha. What did the body? They will take laugh people. They will take mock people. They will take mock people. They will take mock people. Pretty old sass. What did they talk about? Are you talking to me so that me I know? If not to block you, make I know because your comment not make sense. I don't know who they refer your comment to. What did their body to take mock people? To take mock people. You will carry big man, rich man, a chief. You will talk say the man sleep with the picky. Meanwhile, na lie. And now your body na the thing day. Now your body na the thing day. Now you your papa disguagua. Disguagua we ni. I want this poor God forbid. Oh, we are not letting me viewer. If not truth. Yes. Fitty way they the body, don't they laugh people, don't they mock people, and it's very bad. As be called and say fish, catfish and fish. Say catfish and fish. Fish wey don expire for market. Aye, I say aye. Audio Osma. Because I don't like insulting. I don't know because and when everybody asks, it's alright to comment anything they want. Iya modo. Iya minya no rinia. Coronavirus time nana. People deal with their husband for us. Esther be want go mumu because of one person, one woman. One go destroy your home. At least you still get cassava for us. You still get the man which they chuku you for us. You be want go to all the sake of Monica. You see, you want go fast for Monica. Una don't go watch my YouTube channel where Esther couple for the hair. Esther with Jennifer. Oh, yes, a guy. Oh, he did be with a guy. God forbid. Esther, we are with town. Me man, Esther, how you could work here now? Then you could work here. Oh, where's a guy here? Oh, we ain't lay. Oh, we ain't here with town. Oh, we ain't here with town. Esther, we are here with town. We saga. Yes, now, yes, living around. Purity is okay, don't insult. Yes, so there's a number, man. Very. There's a number. Why, Uzo biamo bama aha go. My people, after now, maybe we can't leave you now. Maybe we can't leave you now. Now do it for watching, for coming for watching. You understand? Mama Sud, if anybody put red there, make una let me know. Make I block the person come on from my platform. Because I don't need Esther to say it too small. Na wetin she dey bear for inside body be that one. Na when people dey vex, most time e fit speak im mind. Okay. Esther need big cassava. Now we are going like where oh God, oh live video about destroy na home. It might destroy na home because of live video. Mwakon ya liyo that from where liyo be where you dey eat like animal because of person matter. If no one can we can anybody. You cannot force anybody to forgive anybody. Forgiveness comes from the heart of people. If you can't injure right now, if your soul never heal, how you take forget am? Not be until your soul don't heal before you can't forget. Say, oh, that time I be get soul for you. Thank God, though. Say the soul don't heal. Now so you see be. If person dey vex for person, let that person be. until that person come, it don't verse finish. It might don't calm down. Maybe later. If they can't forget, if he or she fit decide to forgive that person. You understand? Don't go, please. We deal with you. Thank you. Thank you very much. You understand? You want to just say, forgive now. Must he ask everybody to forgive who? She will feel swear. She not feel swear. Oh. She not go feel swear because that's why she not feel talk. As na just be so. Person can't tell una say una papa sleep with una. Una not go take action. As to your be so. Don't say Jennifer, the time where you did 20 years, poet where me, rame, and want to look kewe, for what now? When the one starts? When the one they happen? Wabuga weji, the banon bill, not yela mugun, you can't open or can't tell the whole world such thing, the whole world, and I can't keep quiet. I not can't take any action. I can't leave it, they fold my hand. And my husband say, make I not talk again. Oh, la. Yes, sir. Not be when Owibo wife come to say, if I hear pam, po.